What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial on this fine June day. Welcome to my new meditation channel. Anyway, this is a Patreon request from Emmanuel. So he requested a couple of Black Clover characters. So I'm going to do Mimosa Vermillion first because that's the one he requested first. So hope this helps you out, Emmanuel. So let's give it a go. Where is... Should prepare this before I hit record. Oh. Boom. Okay. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser. Sketch it out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. Okay. Center point of my page about there. We're just going to come up over to the right hand side. Standard portrait. So let's go. Diagonal. And down. Like so. Got to thicken up our eyelashes. Very basic sort of anime eye. Yeah. And it'll have sort of a spike coming across here. And then she has eyelashes. So many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. And then she's kind of smiling, so her bottom eyelid kind of goes this way and then up to the corner. Like that. And then her iris, kind of a long eye, down here, down to there. And then her pupil long as well, oval or skinny circle sort of shape, like that. And then she has eyelash line along her eye here. So it's got these lines, right, like that first. And then you'll have eyelashes kind of coming off like this. Right, and then her top eyelid line. So like a line that comes around here. Like so. Just thicken this up a bit. Okay, the other eye. So we're about eye width, right? Even though they're big anime eyes, they're kind of in proportion, right? So this eye will fit in between, and that's where the next eye starts. So this width is about the same as this width. Okay, and then you just do the other eye the same. The other eye, the dreaded other eye. You go around, down like that. Doop. And then we thicken it up, so we go down. And then add our eyelashes, so we go 4 again. There's actually less eyelashes on this side in the image. That was lazy, animators. I'm only kidding. These people do so much work. I'm sure he just like forgot. Like that. And then bottom eyelid line goes down. Like so. And then iris, long oval, drawn in like so. And then we have eyelash lines. Just there. Eyelid. Down like so. And then our eyebrows, they're quite high up here and they're really small. So they go, depends on if you want her frowning or not, but she's kind of making a sort of a plain sort of face. innocent looking. So this goes that way. This goes down this way. And then the line for her nose, kind of like, imagine it comes down from the eyebrow, right? So it'll kind of like curve a little bit out here. And the left, or right of center, should I say, not left. Don't know my right from my left. And then her nostrils just down here. So in her mouth, she's kind of smiling. So it goes, and it's one of those broken sort of lines. There's a gap in the middle. So it goes there. You want to leave a gap, right? And then go from the other direction then as well. That kind of thing. And then her bottom lip here. And then her chin. Relatively pointy chin. Like so. Check proportions. So eyelashes, the top eyelash line there to the nostril is about the same as the nostril to the chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here, roughly, right? Here, bring it to maybe top eyelid even. Bigger gap on this one. There to there, about the same as there to there. So top eyelid line. Yeah, that's about halfway. There. Okay, and then nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. That's still the same. Here and there, about the same. That's proportions for anyone into that kind of thing. And then we go the jaw, up the side. I'm going to stop sort of at the corner of her eye. See that kind of across from her top lip. You could stop at mouth line if you wanted. You could stop there, you know. Like you have a bit of room. It doesn't have to be exact. All right, I'll just even them up. And then this goes up, like so, to there, side of her face. And then she has a sideburn here, which is her ear line as well. That's where her ear starts. And then her hairline is this zigzag stuff just here. And this will go up her head fairly far. I have to cough, excuse me. And then into there. And then she has these fringe lines that come down over her forehead. And they're kind of these spikes, but squares as well. It's not like all... Right, and then, so she has long hair then that covers her ears. So it comes down from this point and then down this way, real wavy. Goes right down nearly to the bottom of my page, right? Spike there, another spike beside it, and then you kind of bounce it sort of wavy back up. That way. You do the same thing over this side. Doesn't have to be the exact same, but just get the general sort of gist of it. Like that. The rest of her hair goes down behind her shoulders, right? But we'll just do, say, we get like the top of her head, and the top of her head is like here. This will go down like this. And again, there's another layer of wavy hair, but it goes behind her shoulders, so I'll just stop it kind of there somewhere. We'll come back to it. So then her neck. So we'll do neck coming down here, real thin, female character, and then comes across like so. And then she has this bumpy kind of collar on, so it goes like around, bumps around like so. And these have, like, they're, reminds me of sort of Naruto's, you know, Uzumaki Naruto's collar. And Shippuden. It's kind of these double lines. And then she has all these spikes. And then her ears are inside here. And she's got earrings on them. So I'll draw the earrings first because they're actually on top. So here, double line, and then purple sort of stud there on the bottom. Same sort of thing. See sort of more of the ear on this side. So, and then her ear down into there. Ear lines on the inside, this kind of thing. And then some hair texture lines back here. Right, and then she's got that blue fur collar that comes across her top of her chest here, like so. And then there's some of that spikes around here. You see some of the other side? No. And then her shoulders have these two circles, bumps or something. Don't know what they are really. Clips or something for her cloak. And then her shoulder goes down this way. Then we can finish her hair. Another hairline here. And then she's got this button here, right? And then her cloak parts, I think here, right? So it goes two directions down like that. Then there's some fold lines here. And then there's like a green, something green comes out here. Goes down this way. It's like a ribbon or something. Full line there. And then another curving line that comes across, and the line that way. Yeah, and then so more green that goes around this way. Green ribbon. Or a strap or something. And then our armpit line there. Like so. I think that's everything. That is how to draw Mimosa Vermillion from Black Clover. Hope it's helpful. Anyone else has a particular specific request like this, head on over to Patreon if you can afford it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.